Okay guys, here we go with the unboxing of a new boat I bought. Let's say this should be a Holland hardware, and so you can see there's a little bit of damage from the shipping. I don't know, let's unpack it and see how it comes out. Sorry for the mess, we're currently renovating the house, and apparently the kitchen deliverer isn't the quickest among deliveries, so if things look a bit messy, that's why. So yeah, let's unpack this baby and see what's up with it. It was ordered about 2 weeks ago, then it's been sitting in the customs. In the Danish customs, and so I have no idea how this comes out. This is the first time I order from this company, so let's see what's in the box. Okay, so this is some hardware I bought for another boat. Not this one, I guess. No, this is not for this boat. This is for another boat I have out here. But more on that later, maybe. Let's see what's in this box. Nice. Looks like it's in a fairly decent condition here. Let's see the tips. The all-important tips. They look like they should. No damage. Awesome. And now some of you might already see what kind of boat this is. Let's bring it out. Okay, red hardware on the back. A little surprised to see that actually, but cool. And this, you guys might, some of you have guessed it, some of you might think it's something else. But this is a DY new Zonda, it's called. At least the company that sells this particular one, or I bought this from, is what they call it. And so let's bring this box down so we can see what's going on here. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. So yeah, some of you might feel like you've seen this before. I sure have in a lot of videos seen boats that looks quite a lot like this, but fully carbon, this version. It's the dual layer version from DY. So I paid extra for it to have a double layer, they call it. And so I'm a little curious to see how it looks inside. Like I said, this is bought as a Holland hardware, so it should come with everything ready. Actually, it comes with a servo as well. How nice. Okay, everything looks very nice. Yeah. And here's the lid. Not too much to say about that. You can kind of see some light bleeding through here. But yeah, that's what we've seen before. You can also kind of see some bleeding through here with the light, but it's definitely not as bad as some other boats I've seen. And yeah, so here we got dual pickups. Actually, I hoped it came with pickups through the hull here, but I see it comes with these pickups sitting here on the back. Anodized aluminum drives. Cool looking boat. Let's see, it's a little bit of flex here, maybe a little more than I'd like, but I'm actually not planning to reinforce this boat. I want to see what it can do just as it is. It's very light, I must say, but it looks nicely made. It does. Looks like they've actually done a decent job in the assembly process. Let's see what's hiding in the battery tray over here. The battery tray seems to be adjustable, and there's room for ESCs and whatnot in here. It comes with battery straps, and yeah. See, here we got the remaining hardware, I believe. Yeah. So flex drives, zip ties, and the rudder, and yeah. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.